Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, we will learn how to table teach in setting. In order to move table back to initial position, when pressing reset or emergency button that makes table stop. In this case, we have to reset table position back to normal. To do this, go to MCP in HK HMI and press work clamp button to turn it off. And turn pause set key in TOP lock to enable. Then LED in manual button will flashing. In this situation, table will move only when pressing button. If chain ball out of table, chain ball must be moved back into table guide. To do this, we recommend to put chain ball under the guide, not from above because of tension. Our machine has two chain balls for table. The silver one that must be inside of the guide for moving, and the other black one for not only indicating position, but also supporting when moves up and down. If chain ball moves into guide, press cut position button to move table in cut position inside. Keep pressing this button until table completely move into initial position because it will only move when pressing. To check table position, see black chain ball until goes to 3 o'clock position in chain sprocket. It means table is in initial position. Now press reset button about 2 to 3 seconds to save position. Then LED in cut position will on. That shows its position has been saved. Turn pause set key enable to lock and move table back and forth with using load position and cut position button. After checking table moving in manual, start table change in auto mode to ensure all table change systems working properly. What are you think? Can you do it yourself? Until now, I've been explained how to table teach in setting. From now on, we will keep producing videos for maintaining our machine well. Thank you.